Welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold on, wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. Let me put some film on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And in this episode of Shundara Creates, I will be teaching you how to make a no glue fluffy slime. So I'm really excited to teach you how to make this no glue fluffy slime. We're gonna see if it works. So you guys, let's get into this video and let's go. So you want to use a peel-off mask. You can use any peel-off mask you like as long as it has PVA in it. And all the Freeman ones do. So you could just get the Freeman ones at Walmart, Winco, whatever, Kroger, anyone. And you just want to use about a 1/4 cup of it. Now we're going to use shaving cream. I'm using shaving foam from Winco because you guys know this show is on a budget. And I gotta budget the show. You know, I don't make as many views as I used to, so I gotta budget the show. So since I'm budgeting the show, I'm using shaving foam. But if you have a good kind of shaving cream, go ahead and use it. Now mix this in until it's combined. Now you really want to mix this all in because if you don't, you will not get slime. So make sure you mix in your peel-off mask with your shaving foam. Now once you do that, you will need 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. I would just do 4, but you can do 3 like I did in here. In the end, I really did 4, but I forgot to edit that part in. So you just want to mix it in until it's combined. Side note, you guys, this show is on a budget. That's why I got a 1/4 teaspoon. When this show is not on a budget anymore, I will have a teaspoon. This show is on a budget, y'all. Please give me a break in these comments. This show is on a budget. So now you want to use your contact lens solution. You can use eye drops, whatever you want. Either contact lens solution or eye drops. Either or. Not whatever you want, but either or. And you mix that in until it's combined. And here you have it, your slime. Side note, at the end of this video, you will hear the ASMR sounds because a lot of you get triggered when you don't hear me poke. But look at this fluffy slime. Isn't it fluffy? Oh my God, you guys. And it is just amazing no glue slime. Side note, I want y'all to give me my props because you know what? I have dubbed myself the epic king of slime. I'm just playing, you guys. Please take a joke. Anyways, you will hear the ASMR sounds in the background. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in our next episode of Shundara Creates. Bye, you guys! It's so fluffy and it's no glue. You guys, look how epic this slime looks. Oh, gosh, so stretchy too. Oh my God, I love it so much. And it's so light.